How to disable proxy settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn off any proxy configuration on your device. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Network and Internet in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on Proxy on the right side of the screen. At this point, under the Automatic Proxy Setup section, make sure the Automatically Detect Settings toggle is turned off. Following this, if Use Setup Script is enabled, click Setup next to it and toggle it off from there. From here, scroll down to the Manual Proxy Setup section and click Setup next to Use a Proxy Server. After that, toggle off Use a Proxy Server at the top of the window that appears and click Save to confirm. From here, once everything is turned off, your device will connect directly to the internet without routing traffic through any proxy server. Finally, if your connection was previously slow or restricted due to a proxy, you should notice things returning to normal straight away once all the settings are disabled. That's how you disable proxy settings in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.